and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to talk to you about thinning out your seedlings. Yes, you're going to have to thin your seedlings more than likely at some point. But before we get there, I want to let you know that I have other videos on my channel, such as easy how to cook videos, I have product reviews, and I have a few meditation videos. So let's go ahead and talk about how to thin out your seedlings. Here's my part of arugula that I planted, and I did a video earlier on the planting of arugula and the romaine lettuce. The arugula, I was really heavy-handed with the sowing of the seeds, and now I'm going to have to do something that's very painful. I'm going to have to thin it out. I know, you took all that time to water it and watch over it and check it, but you know, sometimes too many seeds come up, which is a good thing. But now we have to thin it out, because if we don't, they're all going to crowd each other out, competing for water and the nutrients that are in the soil, and you'll end up losing most of them if we don't thin it out. So I'm going to give you a closer shot. Okay, now we're cooking. I think you can see better that way. I'm just going to pick an area, and you see how they're all growing together there? You're just going to take scissors and select the ones that you want to basically remove. So just using some regular kitchen shears, I'm just going to cut out, for example, I have this whole patch right here. This whole patch right here. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to look at them, I'm going to cut that out. Cut those out. Go in here. Cut some more out. Mind you that each one of these is going to grow into a head of romaine lettuce. And even though I'm going to transplant these later, I need to really make sure I get these thinned out now. Now you don't really want to pull them up, because you may pull up some others that you don't want to sacrifice, if I could use that term, or you might damage the roots. So you're just going in and think of it like a haircut. And you're just going to pick them out. And some of them will look weaker than others. For example, I'm just going to take you in. For example, you'll see one right here that's basically leaning off and down. That one can definitely be pulled up because it's by itself, and that one's always showing. It's kind of weak, so I pulled that one out. There's some more weak-looking ones that are kind of laying down. You can pull those out, but that's basically the process. I know it's painful. I don't like doing it any more than anyone else, and I've been doing this for a long time, but you're just going to go in and clip out some, just like that. Clip out a few. Just like that. And go through until you have a good weeding out, or not weeding out, but thinning out of your plants. And I'm going in the middle because that's the easiest, and then as they get bigger, I'll thin them out some more. So that's the thinning process. It's not rocket science. You're just going to take out a few. And in this case, I had to take out quite a few because all the seeds I planted came up, and I was very heavy-handed with the planting. So that is my little tutorial on thinning. Use scissors. Don't put them out. And let the seedlings lay where they fall. They're just going to decompose, so it's not going to bother the other little seedlings. Well, if you found that helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Well, that's it for now. Bye-bye.